Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to redeem a Grubhub gift card. If you don't have a Grubhub account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up and get $10 off your order of $15 and above. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Then sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Gift Cards. On this page, you will see two options, Buy a gift card and Redeem a gift card. Click on Redeem a gift card. Then a pop-up window will appear where you will enter your gift card code. After entering your gift card code, click on Add to My Account button. That's how you redeem a Grubhub gift card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.